Industries such as pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, electronics and textiles cannot tolerate any chance of oil contamination in their processes. Hi, I'm Tim Webster for Industry Update Video. Therefore, for compressed air applications within these industries, a technology excluding any risk of contamination is an absolute requirement. The point of reference is the ISO 85731, that's 2010 certification, in which Class 0 represents the best air quality possible. It is the only way to ensure oil-free air for the critical processes and with it, peace of mind. The SPR 230 is Class 0 certified, no oil, with an efficient integrated dryer for moisture removal along with a reduced footprint thanks to stacked modules and dryer integration, including forklift openings, non-sharp canopy corners, easy access for re-greasing and belt tensioning, noise level from 53 to 65 dBA. SPR 230 offers a point-of-use solution and user comfort. Organised piping also brings a low-pressure drop, while the graphic controller algorithm ensures optimum use of scroll modules for tight pressure band and maximum savings. To find out more about the SPR 230 oil-free stroll compressor, visit allthewcpcompressors.com.au. And thanks for watching. I'm Tim Webster.